channel. I'm Rachel, and if you're tuning in, I really appreciate you being here. It means the world to me. Today I'm going to show you a super fun, quick, easy, and simple eyeshadow technique. So let's get started. Start out with an eye primer. I of course am using Mary Kay's eye primer, and a lot of people don't know why to use eye primer. So the importance of eye primer is that it kind of creates a sticky base almost for your eyeshadow, powder eyeshadows to stick to. So it prevents creasing, it makes it last throughout the day without running or coming off. So it's just super important and a super quick, easy step to do. A little bit goes a long way. You just put a tiny little dab, about that much, on your ring finger and then apply it to your eyelid. Like that. So you're really not going to see much of it. You will feel it, and yeah, super easy but super important step. Next, I go in personally with a liquid eyeshadow. This is completely optional. I choose to do it as it creates an even longer lasting effect with your eyeshadow, and it also makes your eyeshadows look a little bit brighter and more pigmented. So these are super easy to apply. Mary Kay just came out with these. You can also use a cream eye color if you still have those. It has a little doe foot applicator. It's so easy to apply. You just wipe it onto your lid. And I am using the shade Light Beam. It's the lightest shade. There are other shades if you want super easy walk out the door eyeshadow. And then you just take your ring finger and blend it in. So now that you're primed, you're gonna go in with your eyeshadows. Today I'm teaching you just some nice neutral browns that kind of go with anything and everyday looks. So I'm using our Mary Kay Chroma Fusion eye colors. These are crease proof, fade proof, life proof. They last for 12 hours. Tools you're going to use are an all over eyeshadow brush, a crease brush, a fluffy crease brush, a smudger brush, and the newer smudger brush if you have the Mary Kay brushes, and also an eyeliner eyebrow brush. So you're going to start out with the all over eyeshadow brush, and I like to just create a nice even base and kind of matte out the little shimmer from the liquid eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with Biscotti, which is this matte kind of cream color. Put a little bit on my brush and just wipe it over my lid. Like that. Super easy. And then next, I'm going to take the crease brush, the fluffy crease brush. I'm going to go in with some hot fudge. So I'm going in with the darker color first. Put a little bit on your brush and tap off any extra. And you start in your outer corner, and I go very lightly and blend into your crease and the outer third of your eyelid, and just kind of blend it a lot. If you have hooded eyes, you want to bring it up above your crease, like up above your crease, in order for your eye color to show. And I kind of just blend it. Don't bring it all the way in, just kind of stop about right here on your eye. And make sure it's really well blended. You can always add more color to make it more dramatic, but it's harder to tone it back. So it's always easier to start off soft and build your way up. Okay, and then next, I'm going to actually take that same brush, I just wiped it off real quick, and I'm going to go in with some hazelnut, which is a really light kind of tannish brown, and I'm going to go over my crease again. So this kind of helps tone it down a bit and make it a nicer blend into the rest of my eye. And that one you'll pull over a little bit further to about here and just blend it. Again, if you have hooded eyes, be sure to bring it up higher so that you can see it when your eyes are actually open. Then I just use my finger to clean it up a bit and make sure it's really well blended, okay? Like that. So then I'm gonna go back in with the all over eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use the other side that I didn't use, and I'm going to take rose gold, which is a really sparkly color. I love it so much, and I'm going to pat it on my eyelid. When you pat, your eyeshadows are much more pigmented in that area. You can also, for even extra pigmentation, use your finger and pat it on. Then I personally like to go in and brighten up my inner corner, so I take this smudger brush. This is the new Mary Kay smudger brush, and I'm going to go in with some crystalline, which is a really sparkly white, and just put it on the inner corner. And the reason why I use the smudger brush is it packs on so much powder, and so it's really pigmented when you put it on. Next, instead of using a regular eyeliner such as a crayon, pencil, or liquid eyeliner, I am going to use eyeshadow today as eyeliner, just to kind of keep it a little more toned down and neutral looking. So for this, I'm going to use Espresso, which is this bottom color right here. I'm going to put some on the old Mary Kay smudger brush. Now, if you don't have this brush, an eyeliner brush works perfect. I'm going to tap off the extra, and I'm actually going to start by lining the bottom lash line. To take it again, tap off any extra, and align the top. This is really nice if you're an eyeliner struggler. If you really struggle to apply regular eyeliner, I really encourage you to start practicing with eyeshadow instead, as it's kind of like mistake free because it just blends so nicely. You don't really notice like wiggles or anything like that. So I don't bring it all the way in. You stop kind of like right where you started, your lighter color nice and subtle. Okay, so now you actually have the eyeshadow part done. So that's super easy, super quick. You can do it with any type of colors. Just have a dark color, a middle color, and a light color. And you just use the same technique with how I did these colors. So then you'll go in and finish it off with some mascara. So curl your lashes. This is a super important step that everybody misses. And then you go in with your mascara. I am using today Mary Kay's Ultimate Mascara. I like to switch it up, and I do little soft strokes. That is a super easy way to apply eyeshadow, and this is a nice everyday look, and it's super simple. So I encourage you to go out and spend this time while you're locked down in your houses to practice, play around in some makeup. It's actually a ton of fun and it'll make you feel good too. So thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to apply eyeshadow in a simple, fun, quick, and easy way. And I will see you on the next video. If you have any suggestions or anything you'd like to see me show you guys, feel free to comment below. Please like, subscribe, and hit your notification button. I post every Thursday. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it so much. I will see you on the next video. Bye!